Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Today I'm going to talk to y'all about the biggest mistake I feel like I have made so far with my Microloc.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
So as you saw, I got my hair retied, and I got it retied prior to me going actually on vacation, right? Bought my pink little, cap cover with me to wear. However, it just was not a vibe. So who wants to walk around on vacation when they decide to get in the water and throw on a cap? Like, it was just it would have been so inconvenient. However, I digress from that, right? When I got home, I'm going to insert what I saw when I got home right here, which is me noticing that my hair was extra frizzy. It was super dry. It looked gray, like a sandy tone versus the black that it truly looks. And as you can see right now, I have not been able to, I'm gonna try to turn around. I have not been able to get my hair back to the original state that it was in when I did my retie video. So if you haven't seen the retie video, go back and watch that. Then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So basically this frizz right here is what I'm talking about. All of this right here feels unlocked. And I feel like I did this. Let me see. I don't know if I get closer, if you can see it, but hopefully you can see that. I feel like I created a bunch of frizz and I caused my hair to unlock. Me thinking that, oh, if I dip my hair in the salt water, the ocean water, my scalp will like this and it'll be great, da 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 da. And then most of the time I wore a hat. I'll insert some pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. I kind of had on a hat. So me noticing my hair getting over frizzy, over dry, I really didn't notice it. And plus I'm on vacation. Like when I got in the shower, once I got out of the water, I did rinse my hair. I did bring my shampoo and I washed my hair, but apparently my hair was getting a little bit too much water, and me forgetting the fact that I probably should have at least banded it, braided it down, did something in order to just keep the ends from unraveling, because my hair is fairly new. I kind of messed that up. And so when I got back home, bro, I was so sad. I was so hurt because I just felt like I destroyed my hair. I felt like everything was coming loose. But if you can see here, everything didn't come loose, especially at the roots where my retie was done. It didn't come loose, especially at the roots where my retie was done. My retie was solid. It's just the ends that when my sister has to, pull it to tighten it back down, that part isn't established yet. Our guest isn't like totally locked into the game. It's not ready to play. I don't know what's going on, right? But it didn't do what I felt like it should have done, which is stay locked up. It unraveled on me. And because these are so small, they're so tiny, every time I got in the water, which was every single day, I got in the water every single day. And yes, I did dip my hair in the water, hat on or not. I took the hat off and was like, oh. So I was living my best vacation life, okay? I'm not gonna lie. And it felt good to not have to worry about a wig, a lace run or something like that, or some braids being frizzy afterwards, because I just felt like, oh, my locks would withstand anything, bro. Like, I just felt like I was invincible. Here it is today. Not so much true. Not true at all. My little starter locks showed me, okay? And I was so hurt, so sad when I got back. That same weekend when I did get back, I went down to my sister's house and she looked at them and she was like, oh, not a problem. All this is, we just have to pull it down, retie it. It just frizzed up on the end. So that kind of made me feel a little bit better, but I still don't feel as great as I could, because I felt like I had just, she had just did all this work and I go and just live my best life and mess it up. So I would have even been better just to braid it back and just leave it in some braids while I was in the water and then let it dry, and then it wouldn't have probably frizzed up on me. So my advice would be to do something like that if you just don't want to wear a swim cap, because it is not the vibe you're looking for. So don't make the same mistake that I made along your new loc journey, and try to go live your best life on vacay and just out there in the wind flapping. Okay, a caveat to all of this is I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair braided for the first time. I'm gonna get some knotless braids done on my hair until I get ready to get my next retie. And then, well, probably like a week before I get my retie done, because I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair because it's already frizzy, might as well. And then after that, I am going to be so much more careful with my hair. Like, I am going to band it and braid it and band it when I get ready to wash it. No questions asked. That's my rant. I hope you learned something from this. Or if someone has that question, can I go just jump off an ocean and do, what would happen if I did that per se? Because I know there are a lot of videos out there that tell you go ahead and band your hair or go ahead and wear a swim cap because you know better. I had to be the rebel. Okay, it must be the Aquarius in me. I had to go out there and be the rebel and show you what that looks like when you don't do that. So if my video is one of the first videos that you've seen that tells you what will happen if you don't band your hair, or if you like this look, then hey, don't band your hair and go for it. But this is what will happen if you don't band it and you go into the ocean and do God knows what. But anywho, make sure y'all check out my Jamaica vlog, and then you'll see the good time that I did have and why I came back looking a total hot mess. All right, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.